Disclaimer. This video contains information on homeopathic remedy. The purpose of creating this video is to spread information and knowledge about this remedy. We strongly discourage any self-consumption of medicine without a qualified doctor's consultation.
Hello, and welcome to this video. Here we will discuss the homeopathic remedy, named Symphytum Officinale. About this remedy, we will discuss its common name and family, particular symptoms, and its relations.
Before we progress with this remedy, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We plan to bring one remedy every week for some time.
Let's begin with its common name and family. The common name of Symphytum Officinale is comfrey or knitbone. It belongs to the plant kingdom in the family Boraginaceae.
Please watch this video till the end. We have a quiz section coming up. Also, we will reveal which remedy will be taken up in our next video.
Moving forward, we shall discuss about the particular symptoms of this remedy. Its main action is on bones and periosteum. It is used in injuries to sinews, tendons and periosteum. Ailments from fractures, injuries, blows, falls, and sexual excess. There is pricking pain and soreness of periosteum. It facilitates union of fractured bones by favoring production of callus. Irritability at the point of fracture. Now we will see the symptoms of neck and back region. Backache from excessive sexual indulgence with spermatorrhea. Pain in back, from fall, Pott's disease, psoas abscess. Used by herbalists, in caries of spinal and other bones. This remedy is also useful for traumatic injuries of eyes. Pain in eye, after mechanical injuries, bruises, blow of an obtuse body, when infant thrusts its fist into its mother's eye, or when snow strikes the eye. This remedy can also be used in headache. Pain in occiput, top, and forehead, changing places. Pain comes down bone of nose. Inflammation of inferior maxillary bone, hard, red, swelling. Now comes the abdomen. It may be administered internally, in gastric and duodenal ulcers, and gastralgia. It can also be used externally, in pruritus ani.
Quiz time now. Answer to quiz will follow shortly.
At last, we will see the relations of this remedy. It follows well, arnica, for pricking pain and soreness of periosteum, remaining after an injury.
Answer to the quiz. In an attempt to visually depict this remedy, we have taken this specific flow of discussion. However, a more logical flow to describe any remedy would be as follows: introduction, causation, location, character, sensation, modalities, and concomitant.
Please note that certain remedies would not have description under all the above heads. For instance, Symphytum doesn't have much discussion on modalities and concomitant. In such cases, you may ignore those categories.
If you have found value in this innovative presentation to Materia Medica, please don't forget to like, share and comment this video. Let us know which remedy would you like us to develop next. Based on your suggestions, we have taken up arsenic album as the subject of our next video. See you then.
Thanks for watching.